Good day, everyone. I am Bernice Llanera, and today I will show to you how to perform the Two-Way Factorial ANOVA using the JASAP and GEM movie. Okay, so first up, let's have the Two-Way Factorial ANOVA using JASAP. Okay, so click on the JASAP icon, then click this one, go to Open and Data Library, ANOVA, and we have here some data for us to use in our two-way factorial ANOVA. Let's choose erotic pictures and love. So this file is all about the men's and women's feelings towards their partner after watching their either erotic or artistic pictures. So click on this one. Okay, so as you can see here, we have already this one. We have the column for gender, age, relationship length, condition, partner's attractiveness, love for partner, and average pleasantness now. So for this two-way factorial ANOVA, we will choose gender and condition as our fixed factors, and our the column for the love for partner will be our dependent variable. And by the way, we are guided, no? We are guided in this null hypothesis. So these are the three null hypotheses. So first null hypothesis, which is the main effect number one, there is no difference in the love for a partner of any gender. And the second one, there is no difference in the love for a partner of any condition. So condition here is that after the men and women after the men and women done watching the erotic and artistic picture, they're going to rate their love for their partner. Okay, then for the third null hypothesis, this is the interaction effect of the two independent variables. The effect of gender on the love for a partner does not depend on the condition. Okay, now we will test this three null hypothesis using the two-way factorial ANOVA. Okay, so let's go back to the JASAP app. So here, click on ANOVA, then ANOVA again, then we'll choose love for a partner as our dependent variable, and the gender and the condition as our fixed factor or the two independent variables. After that, on the right side of the screen, we have here the results. So let's wait for a moment. Okay, so result is okay. So as you can see here, you have here the result for gender, condition, and the intersection effect of this gender and condition to the love for a partner. So first thing we'll do is to see the interaction effect between the gender and condition to the love for a partner. So as you can see here in the p-value, this is equal to point or 0.276, which is greater than 0.05. So in that case, we can say that there is no interaction effect between these two independent variables, or in other words, the effect of gender on the love for a partner does not depend on the condition, right? Then for us to have a visualization, or for us to visualize these interaction effects and the main effects, let's go to descriptive plots below. So here, click descriptive plots, then gender for horizontal axis, and condition for the separate lines. And let's wait for the result at the right side of the corner, or right side of the screen. Okay, here. So as you can see here, let's have first for the first condition, the abstract art. No? After the men and women, or somewhat male and female, done watching the abstract art, they rate their love, no, for their partner. So for the female, after watching the abstract art, somewhat higher, no, somewhat higher compared to the male, meaning there's an increase, no, increase, or somewhat higher compared to the male. But for the nudes, you have here somewhat same, no, same thing. The female is higher. There's a higher love for a partner compared to the male. Okay, but as our basis in rejecting the three null hypothesis that was presented a while ago is this p-value right here. Okay, so for the main effect number one, which is the gender, the null hypothesis of this one will be the effect, no? The effect of gender, or somewhat, there is no difference. There is no difference on the in the love for a partner of any gender. And as you can see, p-value right here is greater than 0.05. So therefore, we fail to reject the null hypothesis. The same way the main effect number two, which is the hypothesis of this one is that there is no difference. There is no difference on the in the love for a partner of any condition. So as you can see, the p-value is equal to 0.730, which is greater than 0.05. So in that case, still we fail. No? We fail to reject the null hypothesis, which is there is no difference in the love for partner of any condition, right? And that's all for the two-way factorial ANOVA using JASA. Now let's have the gem movie, and let's compare the results. All right. So let's have now the gem movie. So first up, click on the gem movie icon. Then as you can see right here, I already put the data. So same data that I've used in performing the two-way factorial ANOVA in JASA. So this A right here is for the gender, B is the condition, and C is the love for a partner. So let me change this one now. So for data variable A, we have this gender. For gender. That's it. Now for column A, we have here condition. And for column C, this will be love for partner, right? Okay, so let's go back to the data. Now let's perform the two-way factorial ANOVA using geometry. So first thing you will do is to click ANOVA, somewhat the same with JASA. So you click ANOVA, wait for the moment. Then click ANOVA again. Then for this part, still the same. We'll choose love for a partner as dependent variable and gender and condition as independent variables or are fixed factors. Okay, so we'll wait for the results. And as you can see, here the result. So let's compare these results to the one that we've done a while ago, no? To the one with JASA. So here are the results in the ANOVA using Jamovie and for the JASA. Okay, so in this case, we are only interested on the p-values of these results. Okay, so as you can see, the p-values from the JASA and GeoMovie is or are the same now. For gender, that's equal to 0.125. Same with GeoMovie, that's 0.125. Then for the condition, we have 0.730. And for the gender or the interaction effect between gender and condition is 0.276. Okay, so still the same. So same decision, no? Same decision and conclusion with Joseph a while ago is that here in rejecting, no, we fail, no, we fail to reject the three null hypothesis. So the first null hypothesis is there is no difference in the love for a partner of any gender. Fail to reject, right? Then second one is there is no difference in the love for a partner. Fail to reject because the p-value is greater than 0.05. Then for the last, which is the interaction effect. By the way, the first and the second null hypothesis is the main effects. Then for the last, no, for the last hypothesis, which is the effect of gender on love or partner does not depend on conditions, fail to reject, meaning the effect of gender on the love or partner does not depend. No interaction between the two independent variables. Okay? So in conclusion, there is no difference in the love for partner of any gender. Then same with condition, there is no difference in the love for partner of any condition. Then the effect of gender on love for partner does not depend on the condition. Okay? So that's all for today. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.